everyone? This is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video is all about the Motorola Razr Plus. I've been using it for almost a month now, and I just want to give everyone an update on my experiences with it and just go over some things I like about it, some things I still have concerns about, and just have a friendly discussion with everyone about this device. This truck's let me in, which is great. Thank you, buddy. But let's get into it. Right now I am filming this video with the Motorola Razr Plus. This is in 4K at 60 frames per second. Let's see how bumpy it can get. I have been enjoying my experiences with this device, but there's some things that are still concerning. The first thing I want to bring up is the battery life. Sometimes when I'm using this phone, I cannot get through the day without having to charge the battery, to charge the phone. And when I mean get through a day, I mean taking it off at the charger at like 6 or 7 o'clock in the morning, and just to get through to like 10 or 11 o'clock, I might have to put it on the charger for a little bit and charge it. I don't know why. I have reset the phone and I still get the same battery life. So the battery life is not really impressive for me yet. Will it keep on learning? I'm not sure. Maybe updates will help me. I'm not sure about why the battery life is not, the best for me. If y'all have it, let me know what y'all think. Battery life is very subjective. You may get great battery life or okay battery life, but for me, it's not the best. The other thing I still have concerns about, which I mentioned earlier, is updates with this device. Will you continue to get updates? Will you get the OS updates and the, security patch updates? Stay tuned to the channel. I'm gonna have this phone for, a while, and I will be able to answer that question coming up. The other concerns is, I know a lot of people say, oh, you can buy cases, but the cases that you have for this device are from no brand case companies. I'm looking for, the Rinkies, the Caseology, the cases like that. You just don't have that type of quality yet. And it may not be, someone may not make, they might not make the cases. Yes, I can buy third-party cases from China and get them from Amazon or eBay. I don't know. I need, and that's not even Motorola's fault. That is the case company. They didn't believe that this phone would sell, so they never made them. And will they come out with some? Maybe. Well, time will tell. And the other concern I have is about the cameras on here. Right now it looks pretty good, but when you are looking for a $900 phone, you expect the best cameras or the best of the best. And these are okay. I mean, they're not horrible, but they're not the best cameras that you can get. I'm hoping to get the Z Fold Flip or the Z Flip 5 so I can compare them and show, the different cameras between those two phones. So those are the major concerns. Now, the things I liked. The 6.7 inch main cover, the main display on here is great. The 3.6 inch external display is a game changer. What is it? 1080p OLED. It has 144 hertz refresh rate. It is a great game-changing external display. You can use that external display a lot. You can use it for the cameras. You can, game on it if you wanted to. You can do a lot with the cameras with that external display on this Motorola device. The hinge design is great. I love it. The hinge has been holding up pretty good. The crease seems about the same, so I don't have any problems with the crease getting any bigger yet. That is great. I love the size of the phone. I wasn't a big flip guy, and this one I have been enjoying, so I'm really enjoying my experience with the flip. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 Plus chipset in here has been good. Now this is where it's going to test the cameras out, turn it into the sun. But as far as the chipset's good, gaming on here has been fun. Watching YouTube videos on this beautiful display has been great. The dual speakers are really good. I don't have a problem with that. You know, so I love the dual speakers on here. Like I said, I am really enjoying my experiences with this phone. And I didn't think I would. I really went into this not thinking I would enjoy it. I wasn't a flip guy, and it has changed me. I really enjoy this size of the phone. I love flipping it, and people still kind of freak out when you have a small phone and you flip it open. They're like, what is that? You know, so even though we've been having flip phones for the last 4 or 5 years now, I think almost going on 5 years, people still flip out when you open it and it's a different size phone, which is, it's still crazy to think about. Everyday texting on here, making phone calls, you know, doing this basic Facebook is great. I need to test out the Ready More or Ready Share mode that they have on here. Forgot what they call it. You know, where you can hook it up to your computer. That's supposed to be pretty good. I still have to do a video on that. But overall, y'all, I'm enjoying my experiences with it. Will I pick up another flip phone because of this one? Yes. Can't wait to see what Samsung does with the flip. But if you want to pick up this phone, look in the description. I have links to it. If you have it, let me know what y'all think about the phone. Or y'all enjoying it? Or do y'all plan on returning it? Y'all let me know. Do you agree with some of my points in here? If you don't, let me know also. We can always have a friendly discussion about it. But I'm really enjoying the phone. Stay tuned to the channel. I'm going to have more updates with this phone. I also have a nothing phone coming in. So stay tuned to the channel. Hit that subscribe button. Hit that thumbs up for this video. Follow me on Twitter at Forrest Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation, y'all. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.